If you haven't heard of the CRISPR, you will. Local researchers working on something that could have an impact around the world. News Channel 6's Ashley Osborne here now.
Yeah, Brad, CRISPR is a family of DNA sequences in your genome. It's also the name of a technique in which disease-causing mutations can be taken out and replaced with good, healthy versions. CRISPR is paving the way for doctors to be able to correct or even prevent genetic diseases. MCG just hired 2 experts in the field.
We were already working with people all over the country.
Dr. Lynn Gahn and Dr. Joseph Miano were just hired by the Medical College of Georgia to continue their research.
The CRISPR-Cas9 system is a tool for cutting DNA.
CRISPR is an editing system that basically can go and change any letter of the alphabet of our book of life.
Dr. Miano says CRISPR acts like spell check when a misspelled word is fixed when the wrong letter is deleted and replaced.
For example, sickle cell anemia. There's a 1-letter mutation that causes that awful disease. CRISPR will allow us now to go in and, with those molecular scissors, change that mutation to the correct one.
He points out most mutations happen in unknown territory.
Think of the genome as an instruction manual. We understand about 1.5% of the instruction manual, but like 99% of it we have no clue of.
So in a process called reverse genetics, Dr. Gahn says they can use CRISPR to help figure out what disease is associated with a specific mutation.
We know the allele. We can use CRISPR to manipulate and to mutate and make a model to see what's the function of the particular gene.
With the help of Dr. Gahn, we take a large piece of the human instruction manual, the DNA, and we put it into the mouse genome. And so in that way we can study the human gene in the mouse and use CRISPR to edit that in any way we'd like.
Is it reasonable to say that we could eradicate some diseases?
Absolutely. So the diseases like sickle cell, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, they'll be tackled within the next 5 years. Because these are well-defined mutations, but we didn't have a real simple method of correcting them. CRISPR now just is a game changer. It allows us to, with precision, go in and fix those mutations and therefore cure the disease.
And guys, this year, award-winning filmmakers released a documentary about CRISPR. It's currently screening in Europe and played for the first time at South by Southwest in Austin back in March. More on that film and CRISPR on WJBF.com. Brad?